What's going on, crypto enthusiasts and crypto beginners? My name is Hussein the Brain, and on this video I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase. Coinbase is the most popular wallet when you're getting into Bitcoin, when you're getting into cryptocurrency. It's super easy to use. I use it. It's the #1 wallet and the #1 website for crypto beginners. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Coinbase.com if you're on a computer. They also have a mobile app, Coinbase. It's super easy to use, super awesome, and it's just as good. You can get the mobile app. You sign up, create an account, enter your name, fill this out, Joe Blow, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Once you're in Coinbase, you're pretty much ready to go. Right now, you can buy 4 different coins on Coinbase, and rumor has it they're going to be adding my favorite coin, Ripple XRP, pretty soon. You can look at the chart. This is how much it's going to cost to buy or sell your coin. It's fairly simple. You can switch here. Ethereum, that's another one I like. So now you're going to go from dashboard to buy, sell. Then you select the coin you want. If you want to buy Bitcoin, how much you want, you can select in Bitcoin, I want to buy 0.01 Bitcoin. Or you can select it in US dollars, and under payment method you can select whether you want it from a bank account that you link to or a credit card that you link to. Now there's pros and cons to each one. If you go with the credit card, it's going to be instantaneous. You can't do as much and the fees are higher. Or you can go straight from your bank account, much lower fees. It takes a long time for you to get your Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you're buying on Coinbase, but it's much less fees. I have one tip for you, and it's not groundbreaking or anything, but what you can do is deposit money into your Coinbase USD wallet. That way it is instantaneous after that money is deposited in there. Keep in mind that does take a while, but once it's in your USD wallet, boom, you can buy stuff instantaneous with that low fee as if it was from your bank account. Once you do that, once you have the amount ready, all you got to do is click buy. Boom, it's in your account. It's really just as easy as that. And if you want to sell some Bitcoin, you just click sell, select the amount you want to sell, and it goes straight to your bank account. Keep in mind these bank account transfers are not instantaneous, so they will take a little bit to process. As you can see, I have a pretty high limit right here. I can buy how much more? About $14,000 worth more of cryptocurrency here on Coinbase. But if you want to increase your limits, you can get verified. It's not too difficult. For a beginner, you may not need to get verified, but if you want to spend more and invest more on cryptocurrency, you can get verified, increase your limits. All you got to do is, and I'm still in the buy section here, all you got to do is click increase your limits and follow the steps on there. That's it, folks. That's the crash course on how to use Coinbase. It's the best way to get started, get some Bitcoin, maybe some Ethereum. I really like that one. It's much faster, so I recommend, if you're going to get Bitcoin, I recommend getting some Ethereum too. Make sure you guys like the video if it helped you out. Subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. I'll see you guys on the next video.